In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Relevance AI to WhatsApp. First, head over to Relevance AI and sign into your dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the correct workspace before you begin, since your integrations and agent settings will be managed from there. Once you're inside the dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Integrations and API Keys. This section is where Relevance AI keeps all of your third-party connections, so it's the right place to set up WhatsApp. After that, find the WhatsApp integration you want to use. You may see two options, WhatsApp for personal use or WhatsApp business. Choose the one that matches the account you plan to connect. This is important because the type of account you select should align with how you want your AI agent to interact with messages. Next, click Add Integration. Relevance AI will then prompt you to sign in to your WhatsApp or WhatsApp business account and complete the authorization process. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to allow the connection. Once that's done successfully, your WhatsApp account should appear in your list of active integrations. That's how you'll know the connection has been added properly. Now that WhatsApp is connected, the next part is linking it to an AI agent. You can either create a new agent or open one you already have. Inside that agent, go to the agent profile, then open the trigger section. In the trigger options, choose either WhatsApp or WhatsApp Business, depending on the integration you connected earlier. Then select the specific WhatsApp account from the list and save your changes. At this point, your agent is connected, but you can also adjust how it should respond. In the trigger settings, you may choose to have the agent react to every incoming message, only respond to messages from specific contacts, or trigger only when certain keywords or phrases appear. These optional settings can help you control the experience and make the automation more precise. Finally, test the connection. Send a message to the WhatsApp number you connected. If everything has been configured correctly, your Relevance AI agent should receive the message and respond automatically. If it doesn't respond right away, double check that the integration is active, the correct trigger is selected, and your changes were saved. And that's how to connect Relevance AI to WhatsApp.